So here we go, Tony. As promised, I'm going to do a little video of your steering head bearings being replaced. So for anybody else other than Tony, this was an MOT failure. Perfectly pristine Honda VFR800. It just knocked your steering head bearings. Quite common. So we're gonna. This time lapse is going to show me putting a new set of steering head bearings in. Pretty simple, straightforward stuff. Hope you enjoy. So as you can see here, Tony, there is quite a lot of rust on the bottom race, a lot of dirt and grime. So it was your bottom set of ball bearings that were causing the issue, no doubt. This one doesn't look too bad, top sorry even, doesn't look too bad. But they always get replaced as a set anyway. There you go, that's what you can see, that's what you can't see on the other camera angle. Where all the dirt and grime collects, and the water ingress will end up getting through there if you use a jet washer in particular, but even if not, all the water and stuff gets going up from the front wheel, straight up to that spot, as you can see with the front of the motor. And then there's the top. Well greased, well lubricated, but still a bit manky and dirty there. Look. I'll clean all that up before I put your fresh bearings in. And there we have it, Tony. All sorted, mate. Brand new set of steering head bearings. Silky smooth from left to right. No play, no notchiness. Smooth riding. Like I say, pretty straightforward to do. I know the video angles, I keep saying I should get a GoPro head mount or chest mount or something so you can see me deep in the angles and the from my point of view, so you can see exactly what's happening. That don't catch it all, but gives you a nice idea of where I am and how much has to come apart and what has to be done. But common job on a lot of machines, steering a bearing replacement. Some are easier than others. The naked bikes are much easier than the sports bikes, of course, because there's no fairing in the way. But there we go. Hope you liked it. Any requests for any different jobs or anything you'd like to see? You don't want to see me polish this bike, so we'll not film that bit. But all I'll do is say thanks again for watching and like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Again, comment below if you want to see out particular. I know there's certain people wanting to know how certain jobs are done. I'm more than happy to show if I've got the time and the certain job in. So there you go. Thank you again.